Today we are going to see about recruitment. Before that, we should know what is management. So management is an art of getting things done through other people. Who is that other people? Human resources in the organizations. So human resources is the very important place in the organization. So we have to select right candidate for the right job. In the management concept, there are 5 M's are very important. One is men, machine, material, money and method. So men plays a first place in the organization. So we have to select the right candidate for the right job. So now we will see the recruitment. What is recruitment? Recruitment is the process of searching the employees and stimulating them to apply for the job. So we have to search the right candidate for the right job, and also we have to attract the employees to apply for the particular job. So next we are going to see about essential features or characteristics of the recruitment. So recruitment is the searching and attracting the function. So we have to search right person, and also we have to attract the employees to apply the job. So next one is, it is a process. It is not a single activity. First we have to plan the human resources in the organization, and next we have to search the correct employees, and also we have to attract the employees to apply the job, and then we have to conduct the interviews, and then finally we have to select the employees for the right job. So this is the step-by-step process. So it is a process. Then next it is a linking activity. It is a linking activity between the recruiter and the recruitee. The recruiter means the person who recruit the employees. The recruitee means the person who searching the job. So this is the linking activity between the recruiter and the recruitee. It is a pervasive function. Pervasive function means it is not only used for the small organization or the big organization. The recruitment is very important for all the organization. So these are the characteristics of the recruitment. Next we are going to see about sources of recruitment. So there are 2 important sources in the recruitment process. One is internal sources and another one is external sources. Internal sources means the sources available within the organization. We can select the employees from our organization also. So external sources means that we can select the employees from outside the organization. So internal sources, there are promotions, transfer, retirements, transfers and internal advertisements are helpful for internal sources of recruitment. If we are going to start any new branches, means we can promote the skilled employees from our organization also. So that is called promotions. So if any employees are going to retirement, he is going to finish his service, means if he is eligible for more, means we can use his service some other year also. So that is called retirements. So like that, there are so many sources are there within the organization. So external sources means we can give the press advertisement, campus, we can conduct the campus interviews, we can ask the help from the placement agencies, we can ask the help from the employment exchanges, we can recruit the persons from e-recruitment online process also. So and also we can ask the help from our competitors also. So there are so many external sources are available for selection of the employees. So next we are going to see about advantages of recruitment. So the recruitment process helps the faster hiring of the employees of the organization, and also we can select the high quality employees. We can select the high specialist knowledge persons for our organizations. So many advantages are there in the recruitment process. So next we are going to see about disadvantages of the recruitment process. It creates conflicts among the colleagues. If we are going to select any employees from our inside the organization, means some other experienced persons will create the conflict in the organization. So some problems are coming in this process, and also it is a costly one also. So some advantages also there, and also disadvantages also there in the recruitment process. Thank you.